Hello, it's just Crafty Chantel and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you Tonic Craft Kit. This is box number 38. So let's just jump right into it. So what we have here is Nouveau Enchanted Evening Pure Sheer Glitter. This is my first Tonic box, so I'm just kind of getting to know this. So that's what the glitter looks like. Then there is the Metro Gray ink pad, adhesive tape runner, and I'm really excited to use this because I love a good tape runner. Yeah, this will be handy. Jewel drops, golden sunflower embossing powder. This is a Mica Mist Nouveau spray. So it basically, if you spray it on paper, it makes it go from regular to like a glitter spray. So check that out. So now it has like a sheen to it. I think this is pretty cool. You can basically take your matte paper and turn it into a pearlized paper. And then inside the envelope, we have the craft room. And so this month it is a like a gift card wallet, floral wallet, gift and stamp set, and then it lists everything that's in the kit. Here are the stamps: a little something, treat yourself, hey birthday boy, hey birthday girl, you can't buy happiness, you deserve this, without plastic, well done, and for someone special. And then there are the dies. So here on this side is the frame die, 3 pieces to create the wallet, and then the insert or embellishment pieces, and then frames to to go with the text, and then some additional embellishments and words to accent it. Then there's a nice sticker: it's never too late to start something new. And then last but not least, we have the paper, and I'll look at the sheet for this. So this one looks like it is mirror card frosted silver. This one is a pearlescent ivory sheen. Oh, I'm sorry, this must be frosted silver, and then this must be iridescent mirror card water sprite. Okay. It's like a matte green card stock. Here's another pearlescent card stock, silver mirror card. So I think this one might be the bamboo, and it has like a gold sheen to it. And then finally another mustard orangey cardstock. So that is what we have in the kit, and I will go ahead and do a quick demo and make a sample card, or I'm sorry, a sample floral wallet. So the base of my card is, or the floral wallet, is going to be this pearlescent white from Crafter's Companion, and then I'm going to use some blue cardstock. I'm not going to use what they have in the kit just yet. I just want to try these colors. You'll see on this cardstock, this blue, that I actually sprayed it, so you can see that silver on there. That's pretty cool. There's a little bit in that corner. So what I'm going to do is cut the base in the pearlized, and then the solid pieces in the dark blue, and then the accent pieces in the light blue. So I'm just going to go ahead and get this all trimmed and layered up, ready to go. And then I'll cut it off camera in my Gemini Mini that I have behind me, because when I cut it on the table, it makes the camera shake. Okay, so here we go. That was a lot of card making on the fly. A lot of quick decisions and changing things up as I went. But basically, so it is a floral wallet sample and stamp set. So what we did here was we used the shadow layer to create the decorations on the outsides, and then when you fold it up to the inside, you have a little gift card pocket with the sentiment, my gift for you. So this is just a quick and dirty of what you can do with the Tonic subscription box number 38. If you enjoyed this video tutorial, please hit like and subscribe so that you can be notified when we post additional videos. And thank you for joining my channel today. It is Just Crafty Chantel.